see, there are so many trashes at Paranaque area. This is from Rally to entrance at Paranaque. So can you see, there are so many trashes. Another one, and there is another one. Take a close look, and look at those people. They just walk around and not noticing the trashes around them. And another one passed by, but they are just only passing through the trashes. And look at this woman just walking around and ignoring the trashes. Oh. So this is also at Paranaque area, and some selling fish balls or street foods. And these are the street children, so which throw trashes on the road. So please don't be like them. After eating, they just throw away their sticks. They just don't know what are the bad effects of this. So after eating, so there is no stick. They just left it there after eating.